Alright guys, we got you guys today a 2001 Jetta VR6. It's a rare, I guess. It's got a factory converter right there. Then we did a muffler delete, a resonator delete, as you guys can see right there. And then we also did a special setup on this one. It's got a Y pipe setup out the back, where one side is where it flows into both sides. One side is a turn down, as you guys can see right there. And then the other side is with a muffler, a stainless steel. I don't know if it's a brand name. I think it's just and then one of those Amazon mufflers that you guys see advertised all the time on Amazon. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. This is what it sounds like, guys. Doesn't sound too bad at all, man. Whoa. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. There's sound decibels on it? 111. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? It sounds so good. I like it. It's a completely different sound. VW Jetta VR6. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jetta carbon fiber hood. Look at this. We got the imprint in the hood. That's pretty cool. VR6. I didn't ask him what the difference is between the regular Jetta and the VR6. So write in the comments, guys, what's the difference between them if you guys know. I'd be interested to know. Oh, that's sick. I like it. If you guys like it, let us know.